Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to NADAR'S Senior Boys channel. Class 12 Computer Science, Unit 2, Chapter 8. You all know I started Chapter 8. This video is continuation of Chapter 8, Strings and String Manipulations. In my last video, I started Chapter 8, Strings and String Manipulation. In that, I explained about single quotation, double quotation, and triple quotation, and how to create a string, and then accessing characters in a string, that is using array, positive subscript and negative subscript. Both examples I already explained, and modifying and deleting strings with example, and how to use a replace function, right? And then with examples. And today I'm going to explain string operators. Python provides the following operators for string operations. These operators are useful to manipulate string, right? Concatenation. Even in C++ you learned this operator. Concatenation means joining two strings. You can join two strings, like how you add two numbers. Okay, suppose 7 plus 5. Okay, now here you see you add two numbers, so together you will get 12, right? This is sum. But in characters, we cannot do like that. Suppose, for example, A plus B. Okay, both are in quotation, right? Right. Now here, it will add AB. Okay. This is called concatenation. This is character. You can use strings also, like welcome, Python. Welcome plus Python. Welcome Python. So joining of two or more strings is called as concatenation. The plus operator is used to concatenate strings in Python. Okay, welcome to Python. That is, here if you write welcome to plus Python, it will display welcome to Python. Okay, we will see that. Now here I have to give quotation. Welcome to. Right, I'm going to use plus operator, Python. It will give together. See here, if you notice, there is no space is given here, right? Suppose if you want space, you have to give. I'm giving space here, right? 2 plus Python. Understood now. Next operator is append. Append means adding to the existing string. Okay, in database, when you say appending records, that means adding records to the existing record. Suppose if you have 5 records, if you append it, 6th record will be added to the existing record. Here, it will add to the string which is already present, right? Adding more string at the end of an existing string is known as append. The operator plus is equal to is used to append a new string with an existing string. For example, str1 is equal to welcome to. So you stored welcome to str1. And here you see, I'm giving str1. Already you know welcome to is stored in str1. I'm using the operator C, plus equal to. Learn Python. Now print str1. It will print together. That is called appending. Appending what? Appending a new string. Okay, right? Appending a new string. Now next is a very interesting one. Repeating. This is the operator used. Star. Multiplication operator is used to display the string in multiple number of times. Suppose if you want to print a particular word, okay, quite number of times, you can use this operator. str1 is equal to welcome. So I stored welcome inside str1. I am printing str1 4 times. Into 4 if I give, it will print 4 times. Right? If I give into 5, it will print 5 times, like that. Is it clear? Right? Next is string slicing. So string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. A substring can be taken from the original string by using open and close square brackets. Okay, see, this is square brackets. Okay, this is called operator, and the index are subscript values. Thus, the square bracket open and close is also known as slicing operator. Keep this in mind. Okay, I'll take a pencil. Okay, now keep this in mind. This is slicing operator. In 1 mark they may ask. Okay, using slicing operator, that is slice operator, you have to slice one or more substring from the main string. One main string will be there. From that string you can extract, that means you can remove the strings which you want or character which you want. Understood, right? Now, general format of slice operator operation or operator, str of start and the colon, you can see the colon, and end. You have to give the starting and ending of the character within the string, right? Position, I mean. Okay, array. Remember array, it starts with 0 and end with total number of characters. Okay, keep that in mind. Where start is the beginning index and end is the last index value of a character in the string, Python takes the end value less than 1 from the actual index specified. Already you have seen this, right? For example, if you want to slice first 4 characters from the string, you have to specify 0 to 5. That is 1 character extra, because Python consider only the end value as n minus 1. Okay, so they had given one example. We will type it here. str, small letter, str of 1 is equal to, I pressed enter. Okay, str1 is equal to, by pressing double quotation, I pressed enter. Okay, that's why you got KKUREL, Tirukkural, right? Now I stored Tirukkural inside str1. Now I'm going to print, small letter, print, see the bracket. First we have to use this bracket, print bracket. Okay, str1. Okay, now the square bracket, array bracket, you can say, enter. Now it should print t. Why? Because it is starting with 0, as you all know. So this is 0, this one is 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Okay, that's why it is printing whatever is there in the 0th index, that is 7, that is t. Right? Now see, okay, I have to print next one, str array bracket 0 colon 5. I think now you know 0 means starting position, 5 means end position, that is 5 minus 1, that is THIR, Thiru should be printed. Come on, tell me, identify the error. Yes, correct. Yes, print bracket str1 of 0 colon 5. Okay, close array bracket, enter. It happens. Okay, Thiru. Got it? Understood now? Right? Okay, the next one. Next one is print str1 array bracket. Now here you see, already we saw 0 colon 5, right? Just I'm going to give colon and 5. Close it, close it. This bracket, this bracket. Okay. Now again it will print Thiru. Again I made mistake. What mistake? Print. Come on, tell me. I opened the shell again because I want to show. Otherwise it will go down. Okay. Now here you see it is showing str1 is not defined because I have not defined str1 now. Again, str1 is equal to, I have to give, once again I have to give, so again I have to store Thirukural inside the string str. Okay, now if I give print bracket str1 array bracket colon 5, close it, enter. Again it prints Thiru. There is no difference between the previous one, this one, okay, and this one. Because here you are starting with 0 and you are ending with 4th character. And here, if you are not giving anything as a starting number, it assumes 0. You got it? We will see the next one. Okay, here what you're doing, you're giving the starting letter is 6 and you have not given any end, so it prints the remaining. Okay, now we will see this. Print open bracket str1 array bracket. Now I'm going to give 6 colon. That's all. Right? Now see here in Thiru, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th letter, 6th character. So KURAL should be printed. Got it? Understood now? Right? Next is example 5. Program to slice substring using for loop. Now you are going to use for loop. Right? I'm going to type the program. Small letter str1 is equal to, I'm going to store computer, COMPUTER, enter, and index I'm fixing 0. So I'm starting with 0, right? For I control variable up to the length of str1, right? What you're going to do, you're going to print bracket str1, okay, index, that is array bracket colon, that is starting with 0, index plus 1. You know, index you fixed 0, right? So index plus 1 is, first time it will print 0 and then 1 like that. Index plus is equal to 1. You are incrementing the index value. Okay, here you see first 0. So index is 0. So it will print C. Okay, next index plus 1. Index will become 1. So it will go up. So 0 and 1. It will repeat twice. So 0 and 1. So it will print CO. So like that. Okay, we will save this. Chapter 8, example 5. Okay, now run the program. Got it? Is it clear? You got the same output. You got the same output. Is it clear? Right? Okay, we'll go to the next one. I'll close this. Next is string when slicing, that is stripe when slicing string. When the slicing operator, you can specify the third argument as a stripe, which refers to the number of characters to move forward after the first character is retrieved from the string. See, this is interesting, right? See, when the slicing operations, you can specify the third argument. So far we used only 2 arguments. Okay, third argument is used to refer the number of characters to move forward after the first character is retrieved from the string. The default value of stride is 1. By default, if you are not giving anything, it is 1. Okay, now we will go back. Okay, I'm going to type it in the shell. str1 is equal to welcome to learn Python. Okay, now I'm going to print open bracket str1, then array bracket. You can say even list bracket also looks like this, 16, close it. Okay, now you see, listen carefully, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the space, right? And then 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, learn should be printed. Any doubt? Right? Next we will see. Print str1 of 10 colon 16 colon 4. Close bracket, close it. Okay. Now you are getting R. How you are getting R? So here you see, you all know this is 10 and up till here 16. So within this learn, okay, fourth character is 1, 2, 3, 4 R. So you are getting R. Okay. The next one, print str1 bracket 10 colon 16 colon, okay, I made mistake there, colon 16 colon 2. Close it. Now you are getting ER. The same thing. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So learn, right? So up till 16, that is learn 2. So first it will print 1, 2, that is E, and then 1, 2, R. So it is printing E and R. Is it clear? The last one is print str1 bracket. So you are not giving the start value and you are not giving the end value. Only the strike value you are giving. Okay. Any mistake? No. Yes. What is a mistake? Okay. What is that? Can you identify that? Parenthesis. See here. I missed that parenthesis. Okay. I'll go back now. I'll type it again. Okay. Print this bracket first, str1, then the list bracket, colon, colon, 3, then close this, close this. Again, I did mistake. What is that mistake? str1 is not defined because what happened now? I cannot clear the screen. So each and every time what I have to do, I have to open again. Okay, that's the problem. That's why it is showing error. Right? So I have to define str1. I will define. Wait. Now I typed it. I'm going to press enter. Okay. So how it is printing this? See, you have not given start and end. So it is taking the entire string 3. That means first character and then third character 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, including space 1, 2, 3 O, 1, 2, 3 E, 1, 2, 3 N, 1, 2, 3 Y, 1, 2, 3 O. Is it clear? Understood now? So remember that Python takes the last value as n minus 1. You can also use negative value as tried, that is third argument. If you specify a negative value, it prints a reverse order. Hey, very interesting, right? I'll give that. Okay, print bracket str1. Okay, then starting I'm not giving, ending I'm not giving, I'm giving -2. Close it, close it. I did not make any mistake. So in reverse, that's it. So it is starting with W, then here in reverse order it is printing L, O, everything is in reverse order. Is it clear, children? All right, everyone. So it is interesting if you learn properly. Okay, right? Go through the video and These are very, very important to develop your program, right? Python programs. These are the basics, right? If your base is strong, definitely you can write any Python program. So learn properly, watch this video if you have doubt. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me in online class. Okay, children, see you bye in the next video. Thank you.